Hi everyone, welcome to maths video class 6th and we are on chapter 8 exercise 8C question number 2 the common division method. Okay, last time I had given question number 1, question number 2, few examples I have, last 3 examples I have given as homework. Okay, so I hope you will understand and be careful, don't be confused. Okay, I hope everything is well at your place and we are out of corona, little we are out of flood. So God has made us strong only and we have to remain strong. Okay, the common division method. So first division we have seen, first method we had seen, that is the prime factor method, and now we will be seeing the common division method by which we have to solve all 5, right? So you can see here 18, 24 and 96 we had solved using prime factor method. So it was like this. Okay, and answer was 288. From prime factor method, answer was 288 and the method was this. Now same we have to use common division method, which is more convenient, right? So let us check 18, 24, 96. So 18, 24, 96, just check which is the table by which you can divide all these 3 numbers. Write all the given numbers first. Write all the given numbers is horizontal line. You can separate by commas or you can separate them by dash like how I have done. Then divide all the 3 by a suitable number that exactly divides at least 2 of the given numbers. Now here are 3. So we want a number which at least divide any 2 of them. First you try for all the 3. If all the 3 is not possible, then you try for any 2. That is allowed. Okay. And then write its quotient and the undivided numbers obtained below the first line. Means suppose I am able to divide only these 2. I am not able to divide this. So I will write it as it is here. Okay. So let us see. Now I know that units place 8, 4 and 6 is there. Means 8, 4, 6 can be divided by 2. So I have taken here 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24, 2 48s are 96. That is 2 4s are 8, carry 1, 2 8s are 16. So 9, 12 and 6, 48 I know can be divided by 3. Okay. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. So 3, 4, 16. Now I know that 4 and 16 can be divided by 2. 4 and 16 can be divided by 2, but 3 cannot. Okay, but as per the rules I have told you, then if 3 is not getting divided by 2, write 3 as it is here. Write 3 as it is here. Divide 4 and 16 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now 3, 2, 8 also do not come in any one table, or it is not getting divided by one number. So what you have to do, choose 2. I think 2 and 8 can be divided by 2. So what should be done? Divide 2 and 8 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Obviously 3 is not getting divided by 2. So write 3 as it is. Now 3 and 4, 1, 3 and 4 do not come in any one table. Means if we do separately, then only it will be divisible by 3 divided by 3, 1 divided by 1 and 4 divided by 4. So first it was 3 of them were getting divided, then any 2 was getting divided. Now the condition is we have to divide it separately. So here we have to stop. Where we have to divide each number separately, there we have to stop, and then we have to find out LCM. What is the LCM? The product of all divisors and the numbers obtained in the last line will be required. Means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last line means this line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 multiplied by 3, you can see 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. I have not written 1, you can write 1 also. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9 and 4 1s are 4. Multiply this, you will get 288. Okay. So this method is more easier once you have practice. Let us see the second one. 100, 150 and 200. So 100, 150 and 200, zeros are there at units place, means it can go by 2, 5 and 10. Zeros are there at units place means it is divisible by 2, 5 and 10. So 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 0, 0. Means 100 divided by 2, 50, 150 divided by 2, 75, 200 divided by 2, 100. 50 divided by 2, 25, 75 divided by 2. Now 75 cannot be divided by 2. So 75 as it is. Why? Because 5 is there at units place. So and 5 cannot be divided by 2. Okay, so 50 divided by 2, 25, 75 cannot be divided by 2. So as it is, 100 divided by 2, 50. So 25, 75 and 50 can be divided by 5. 5 5s are, 5 15s are 75 and 5 10s are 50. 5 1s are, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, right? So these three can be divided by 5. But now you can see here 3 and 2 and 1. If you want to divide it, you have to divide it separately, right? But that is not needed, because here up to here it was divided, all the three were divided by 2, then any 2, then all the 3, right? But here you can see 1, 3 and 2 do not come in any one table. It comes in one's table. So we have to stop there. So my LCM will be 2, 2, 5, 5, 1, 3, 2. So 2, 2, 5, 5, 1 I have not written, 3, 2. You can write if you want. So all the 2's, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 3 as it is, because 3 is only 1 in number, 5 5's are 25. Multiply and you will get 600. Means you have to multiply all these numbers. 2 2's are 4, 4 5's are 20, 25's are 100, 100 3's are 300, 300 2's are 600, 600 1's are 600. Or you can use your own method to multiply all these things. Okay. I hope you have understood. Let us see the third one. 14 21 98. 14 21 98 will be divided by 7. See, if you know the tables, then it goes very easier. If you don't know in which table what number comes, it is very, very difficult. At least if you have not learnt, keep tables in front of you to understand. Okay. So 14 21 98 can be divided by 7. So 7 2's are 14, 7 3's are 21 and 7 14's are 98. 7 1's are 7. Carry 2, 7 4's are 28. So 2 1's are 2 7's are. 3 is not getting divided by 2. So 3 as it is. The numbers which are not getting divided by any number is to be kept as it is. Okay. So here you see that 1, 3 and 7 comes only in one's table. So we have to stop here. So 7 2 1 3 7. 7 2 1 3 7. So 7 2's are 14, 3 7's are 21. Multiply, you will get 294. Okay. And question number 4. See, 4 I am showing you. Question number 4 and question number 5 are homework. Okay. I'll show once again. Now question number 3. Question number 3 you can see here. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 50 and 300 respectively. If one of the numbers is 150, find the other number. Means HCF and the LCM of two numbers. So HCF is 50 and LCM is 300 respectively. Respectively, which comes first? HCF. So first number is HCF. Which comes second? LCM. So 300 is LCM. Okay. If one of the numbers is 150. If one of the numbers is 150, find the other number. Okay. Two numbers out of which HCF and LCM of two numbers are given. Out of these two numbers, one is 150, other one we don't know. So that other one which we don't know have to be found. Okay, nothing to worry. You have seen on page number 70, these formulae are given. Write down this formulae in your notebook. Very, very important. 100% one question comes on this. These types of questions come in exams. So, okay. Now, we have to find the other number. So, where is other number? The other number. So, what is the formula for the other number? Because it is clearly given in the question. Find the other one. Other one means other number. So, where is the other number? Other number is here. Product of LCM and HCF upon one number. So, I have written here whatever is given. HCF is 50, LCM is 300. One of the number is 150. Other number has to be found. The other number is product of LCM and HCF upon first number, that is one number. Okay. So, LCM is, wherever LCM is there, write LCM's value, that is 300 multiplied by HCF. What is HCF? 50. Write it here. Divided by one number, means first number which is given. One of the numbers is 150. So, write 150. And then divide it. 50 ones are 50 threes are. 3 ones are 300s are. So, this division you can do by yourself also, the way you feel easy, the way you can do it. You can cancel 0, 0, then 5 ones are 5 threes are, that way also. What I have done is 50 ones are 50 threes are. 3 ones are 300s are. Okay. So, 100 ones are 100. So, we say that the other number is, hence the required number is 100. One number was 150, other number is 100. Okay. See question number 4. The product of two numbers is 432 and their LCM is 72. Find their HCF. The product of two numbers is 432. LCM is 72. Find the HCF. So, for finding HCF, let us see which method to follow. Which formula to follow? HCF. HCF of two numbers, product upon LCM. Product is also given and LCM is also given. So, product of two numbers 432, LCM is 72, find out HCF, right? So, HCF formula is their product upon their LCM. There means numbers with numbers, two numbers. So, their product is 432, which is given in the question, divided by 72. So, 432 divided by 72 gives me 6. So, the required HCF is 6. Okay, it is very straightforward question because formulae are straightforward. Okay, last question of this exercise, 6, 7 and 8 we are not going to solve. Okay, so the product of two numbers is 19,200 and their HCF is 40. Find their LCM. So, what is given, that we have written the product of two numbers 19,200. Their HCF is given 40 and their LCM we are supposed to find out. So, LCM is their product upon their HCF. Formula. You can see the formula here, LCM. LCM if we want to find out their product upon their HCF. So, 19,200 upon 50, that is 480. So, the required LCM is 480. Okay. So, I hope you will understand and I will show you notes. Today's notes, you can class-wise notes, some issues keep on coming of uploading. So, this is the common division method, first page. This is the second. And this is the third one. Okay. So, here we have finished this chapter. And one more thing, homework. Revision exercise, question number 1, 2, 4 and 5. You have to do according to your convenience for practice purpose. Question number 1, 2, 4 and 5. These are for practice and for you, and you have to do according to your convenience. Okay. Thank you so much and please study well.